Hello everyone, so this is your weekly overview of what's due in this course this week. We are on week 6, so this is due on October 10th, that's a Sunday. You're doing chapter 6 and discussion 2, so let's go ahead and look at that real quick. Obviously, here's your textbook, okay? This is the link to click to your textbook to read chapter 6. This is your supplemental learning material. This is just to help you understand the material in the textbook. This is not what your quiz is based over. This is just extra, all right? So you really need to make sure you're accessing your textbook to complete your quizzes, all right? So you're going to do chapter 6 this week. You're going to complete chapter 6 quiz, okay? Remember, you get 2 attempts. I take the highest grade. And then you have your discussion 2. So this discussion is over cultural symbols. So a lot of times culture has a lot of symbolism in it. Symbolism is like a code, an unknown code, that a meaning to something. And it can be both tangible, so like material, and then it can also be more symbolic, like unspoken. So when you're looking at symbols, a big one in our community is the cross. So the cross kind of gives you this idea of Christianity or religion, all right? It's just a cross, but for us, it carries a bigger meaning. So in a lot of cultures, some of the stuff that we tend to think is symbolic is not symbolic to them, or vice versa. And so this week you're gonna kind of discuss this. This is a fun discussion. I've listed some cultural symbols here for you guys to think about. But then what you're going to do is you're going to visit this website. So this is step 1, and it is about Japanese symbols and their meanings. Okay, so we're going to look at the Japanese culture for this discussion. So you click on it. It'll say this, and that's fine. Just keep going. Okay. It will load. There you go. So you're going to read over this website, okay? And it talks to you about the different symbols and their meanings in Japan. Okay, so you'll go through and look through all of these and read them and get a better idea of the Japanese culture through symbols. Once you do that, you're going to answer these questions, okay? And you should answer these questions using complete sentences. Remember, your discussion has to be between 200 and 300 words. So these are not one-word answers, all right? I'm still looking for you to meet that expectation of 200 to 300 words. This is college, so everything should be more than that one-word answer. The 3 questions first ask you to identify a culturally significant symbol from Japan that relates to something in your life. So this is a personal question. When you're looking over all those symbols in Japan, one of them may actually connect to something in your life. I want to know about this symbol. I want to know what it connects to in your life. And then I want to know what the symbol is and why it's important in Japan. And then I want to know why it is important to you. So you get to pick one of the symbols on the website, and you get to tell me about the symbol. I want to know what it is and why Japan thinks it's important. And then I want to know why you relate to this symbol. So you're going to answer these questions in 200 to 300 words, and then you're going to reply to 2 people. So please try and post to the discussion board early to help your classmates out, since they have to reply to your discussion. The expectation for replies is simply a reply that adds value and is between 50 and 100 words. If you do not meet the 50 to 100 words, you do not get credit for that reply, okay? Please pay attention to your grammar and your spelling. These do count in discussions because we are in college, all right? So we want to capitalize our I's, we want to put periods, we want to make sure that our grammar and our spelling are on point. So my advice to you when you're doing discussions is to actually open a Word document and type out your discussion in the Word document. This benefits you in two ways. One, it keeps a word count for you, so you can make sure you meet that expectation. Two, it has spell check, so it'll help you with that grammar and that spelling and things that maybe you don't know that you're doing wrong. And then lastly, please make sure you cite your sources. So you write your discussion at the bottom. I need you to cite this website because you are referring to and taking something from this website. You have to cite it or I will count off points in your overall score. All right. So quick recap. You can access your textbook and you're going to read/review chapter 6. Okay. You can look over your supplemental learning material, which includes videos and links to other websites that gives you more insight into the culture in chapter 6. You're going to complete your chapter 6 quiz, and then you're going to complete your discussion 2. Okay, all of that is due Sunday, October 10th. If you guys have any questions or concerns, just reach out to me. Okay, have a good day. Bye.